Hey, what's up, family, on this blessed Sunday? How y'all doing? How y'all doing today? I'm coming to y'all today with some garlic, white rice, and some chicken strips that I made. I took some breasts, I split it in half, and I chopped it up. Y'all know I love chicken. Look at that. I put a little lemon pepper. After I got through cooking this, I just sprinkled some lemon pepper and garlic over my chicken tender. And my rice, I just melted some butter, put some garlic powder in my butter and melted it. All together, just pour it over my rice. I put a little pepper in the rice. And I put some American, like 2 slices of American cheese in my rice. I mean, it is good. It's delicious. Ooh, girl. Well, you can always grab our chicken tenders from the store. Get you a pack of chicken breast, slice it down the middle, and then slice it sideways. Season it to your liking. Dip it in your eggs. Well, I normally crack 2 eggs. And I just put it on over in there. I mush it all up and around. Then I use my flour and I fry it. There, voila, there we go. If you want barbecue, take you some barbecue sauce. Put a bottle of it or half a bottle of it in the bottom of the bowl. Just throw it in there. Hot sauce, same thing. When I use Louisiana hot sauce, I might add like some butter or some lemon in it. I'm just mix it on up. There go my buffalo strips or buffalo wings. You can make things quick and easy. Nothing hard about cooking. You want to cook every day? It don't take me no more than about 40 minutes at best for me to create a whole meal. I have some Diet Sam's Cola. Oh. I'm sorry for my burp lovers. Y'all asking me for a burp challenge. But my kids, they work. And it's hard. I'm trying to get people together to do that. It's coming soon. It's coming real soon. Trust and believe. And like I told you, I work from home. So it's easy for me. You know, but they work away from home. Well, I was waiting until they had the time to do it. And they not into really making videos like I am. So, that plays a big part in it. A lot of people don't want to be exposed to the public. You have some that do, some that don't. You know. Because I realized one thing. When you start YouTube, the world sees you. You get all type of comments. Once you start getting up there, people know who you are. A lot of people can't take that mental cruelty that people put out on them. How they talk about it. You know, they can't deal with it. That's why I can understand now you know, just by watching other YouTubers and watching these stars. How they get depressed. Because they go through so many changes. So you got everybody judging you. You have your loyal subscribers that subscribe to you. And they say beautiful things to you and uplifting things. Then you have those that can't wait until you post. So they put a lot of negative stuff under your comments. Under your video. Some of them comments that I be reading on different YouTubers, I say, oh my God. You know, you can say, oh well, I don't care about the comments what people say, but sometimes in the back of your mind, some of them comments, they mentally stick to you. And it could cause you to have a breakdown. And you try to change and try to appease or try to do different things so they wouldn't say these negative comments. But people can always say negative stuff. They're going to talk about you till the day you die. That's why you have to have self-confidence within yourself. You got to love yourself. And you got to be yourself. That's one thing. Like I always say, people's gonna be peoples. You got loving peoples, and you got peoples that got so much negative in their life that they can't do nothing but talk negative. You can tell when you read people comments and they say a lot of negative stuff and they always on different YouTubers channels who they claim they don't like. And it's like they want to see the people fall. They want to see them have nervous breakdown. They want to see them miserable. It's because they are like that. That's why you have to pray. You have to pray for those people. You have to love them. You have to still love them. Because it's not them. It's them legions of demons that they jumped off in there. And that's negativity. And negativity that surrounds you, that's around you all the time, that's all you can let out is negative. Positive energy in your life. Just take your hand and just go real slow and go like this. Just take it. You can feel the energy in between. Trust me. Just do it. Do like this. You can feel that energy. And as you get closer and closer, it gets stronger and stronger. That's just how life is. That's just how if people let out negative energy, that's how it comes toward you. And if all you hear is constantly negative people problems, people situations, relationship issues, they all bad. If you hear that all the time, that's exactly how you're going to feel. It's exactly how you're going to be. But if you hear intake all positive, the energy around you, your house will brighten up. The people around you, if they positive, it brings on happy thoughts, happy things. Happiness comes. That's why I always stress peace in my house. Peace. Peaceful people. I can't explain how, how to act, how to be. Only you can be who you is. Can't be nobody else, and you can't please other people. this garlic cheesy rice is good. Y'all should try it. Come here, Queen Messiah. Oh, my baby mad at me. She's sitting over there watching TV. Come over. Come here, Queen Messiah. Come here. Say good morning to them. Come here. Come here. Turn that down. Starts to come here to turn the TV up. Say hi. Say good morning. This is my Queen Messiah. You know, kids bring you joy and happiness. They get on your nerves sometimes. My grandbabies. I miss my other ones too. But this one lives here. So I see her butt every day and she sleeps with me. Say hey. Hey, family. Okay, you go back over there if you want to. Just wanted her to say hi to y'all this morning. Oh, boy. I was trying to sleep late today. I can't do it. I got up and I cooked. And what it was I had set these out yesterday. Because I was going to cook them yesterday. But I had that shrimp and stuff and I wasn't hungry. And they had already ate. So I said, you know what? In the morning, I'll make some chicken tenders. And some rice. And that's what they're going to eat. Because you don't always have to have eggs, or bacon, sausage, or biscuits in the morning. You can have whatever you want. I haven't been to church in a while. I need to get back to church. I said it this morning. Because it feels so good when you leave out of church. Yes, you do. I go to Cedric Oliver's church, Embassy of Christ. He's a good pastor. He's a very caring person, too. Outside of many pastors say they pastors, but they're not living right. They're not living by the word. And they're in it for the wrong reason. But it's them. They have to deal with God. Just never know when you're going to meet your maker. The greatest time in the hour. That's why you have to try to do everything right as possible. You're not perfect. Nobody's perfect in this life. But nothing hurts but to try to be perfect. And try to do everything that you're supposed to do right in life. As long as you keep peace in your house, keep negative people out of it, you'll be okay. Little burps. Burp, burp, burp. Well, I love y'all, family. And y'all know I'll be seeing y'all later. Later on. Be blessed and be peace. Have peace and happiness in your life. See you later.